What's up, everybody? SK Lifestyle, of course. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button down below. All right, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm not going to go step by step and do all the tedious things. It's a pretty easy job taking apart a garbage disposal. Just going to tell you a few quick tips. Disconnect it. Make sure you have the cord and disconnect it from the power. You don't want to be dealing with any kind of mess. Trust me. If you have a dishwasher, turn off the dishwasher. I even opened it up just because we're going to be disconnecting this cord once you're done, and you don't want the dishwasher running and then stuff coming out of this while it's just laying on the floor. So anyway, the big tip here, the number one thing, you're going to look at all this stuff. No, you don't undo these screws. This is just to tighten it so that there's no leaks between the sink and the garbage disposal. What you want to do is get an Allen key. There are special tools for this. Everyone has an Allen key. They work just as well. This is what you do. You slip it in and do it the long way. Hold it the long way. You slip it in, and just like everything else, lefty-loosey, right? And you turn it. Now I'm not going to do it much more because I need to hold it, because otherwise this whole thing is going to fall down. All right, so here we go. Now put a hand underneath, because once you do this, it's going to get loose. You see that? It just came right off. It's that simple. And then you just do the reverse to put it back on. Very simple, right? I thought so. Something that can save you many minutes, maybe even an hour, if you're just messing around and you just have no idea. So if you found this video helpful, if you appreciate it, all that sort of stuff, hit that like button. Just smash it for me real quick. Hit the subscribe button too. It doesn't mean you're going to be inundated with a bunch of videos and notifications. It just means in your feed, my videos will come up sometimes. And if you want to support the channel, that's the best way you can do it, other than sharing the video, and comment down below as well to your experience. Appreciate you watching. SK Lifestyle. See you all next time. And pro tip, if your hose is long enough and you're not actually replacing it, you may not even need to take it off. I did all my work right here. Now I'm about to be back in action in about 2.2. And last pro tip, don't forget to use your phone just to be able to see behind. Look how easy it is, rather than having to stretch around, do all that kind of stuff. You may forget it, but it's not just for YouTube. It can do other purposes too. So use the tools that you have, right? And if you were curious what my problem was, this thing right here. Yep. You never know what it's going to be, but problem solved.